In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to easily remove the green screen on Davinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by dragging your video overlay as well as the green screen right on top of it. And what you're going to do is go to this color bar right here, find this icon, and just click on the green. You're then going to go into this nodes area and right click, add alpha output, and drag this blue square to this blue circle. Now, as you can see, if you go to this area, you can see that everything except the green screen has been removed. So if you want to actually reverse it, you're just going to click this right here. And it should reverse the actual effects.